Hi guys, my name is Ata and today's topic is wireless technology. Wireless technology refers to the transfer of information or power between two or more points without the use of wires, cables or other physical media. Here are some key aspects of wireless technology. The wireless technology are of seven types: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular network, 3G, 4G, 5G, radio frequency, infrared, satellite communication, and microwave communication. Applications of wireless technology. Wireless technology is used in mobile devices like smartphone and tablet, laptop, wireless local area network (WLAN), wireless wide area network (WWANS), Internet of Things (IoT), smart homes and cities, industrial automation, healthcare and medical devices, navigation and tracking system. Advantages of wireless technology. Convenience and mobility, increase productivity and reduce costs, improve safety, enhance connectivity, faster data transfer rate, greater flexibility. Challenges and limitation of wireless technology. Security risk, interference and signal degradation, limited range and coverage, dependence on infrastructure, power consumption, health risk, compatibility and standardization issue. Future of wireless technology. 5G and 6G networks, edge computing and AI, quantum computing and cryptography, Wi-Fi and visible light communication, wireless power transfer and charging, nanotechnology and terahertz frequencies, space-based wireless communication. Wireless technology has transformed the way we live, work and communicate, and its continued evolution will shape the future of humanity. Wireless technology types. Wi-Fi, a popular wireless networking technology to internet access. Bluetooth, a wireless personal area network (PAN) net technology for device-to-device communication. Cellular networks, 3G, 4G, 5G. Wide area networks (WWANS) for mobile communication. Radio frequency, a type of wireless communication using radio waves. Infrared, a line of sight wireless technology, a short range communication. Satellite communication, wireless communication using satellites orbiting the Earth. Microwave communication, wireless communication using microwave frequencies. Wireless technology and application, mobile devices, smartphone, tablet, laptop, and wearables. Wireless local area networks, WLANs, WLANs, Wi-Fi network for internet access, wide area networks, WWANS, cellular networks for mobile telecommunication and communication, Internet of Things, wireless connectivity for devices and sensors, smart homes and cities, wireless automation and control systems, industrial automation, wireless control and monitoring system, healthcare and medical devices, wireless medical devices and telemedicine. Wireless technology advantages: convenience and mobility, increase productivity, reduce costs, improve safety, enhance connectivity, faster data transfer rate, greater flexibility. Wireless technology, security, infrared and digital degradation, limited range and coverage, dependence on infrastructure, power consumption, health risk, compatibility and standardization issues. Future of wireless technology: 5G and 6G network, edge computing and AI, quantum computing and cryptography, live and visible light communication, wireless power transfer and charging, nanotechnology and terahertz frequencies, space-based wireless communication. Wireless technology has revolutionized the way we communicate, access information, and control devices. It is continued evolution which shape the future of humanity, enabling new applications and services and innovations. Importance of wireless technology. Convenience. Wireless technology provides convenience and mobility, enabling users to access information and communicate from anywhere. Increase productivity. Wireless technology increases productivity by enabling users to work remotely and access information quickly. Improve safety. Wireless technology improves safety by enabling emergency service and remote monitoring. Enhance connectivity. Wireless technology enhances connectivity, enabling global communication and collaboration. Economic growth. Wireless technology drives economic growth by enabling innovation, entrepreneurship, and job creation. Improve healthcare. While technology improve healthcare by enabling remote monitoring and telemedicine and access to medical information. Environmental benefit. While technology has environmental benefit by reducing the need for physical infrastructure and labeling remote work. Increased accessibility. While technology increases accessibility for people with disabilities and remote communities. Improve education. While technology improves education by enabling access to information, online learning, and remote education. Thank you.